Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Instagram story music not working on Android devices. So if you are also facing the same issue and looking for fixes, then go through the methods that I am showing you. What you have to do, you need to check if the server is down. For that, you simply go to search Google and here type Instagram and down detector. Now open the downdetector.in website and here you need to check if there is any downtime going on for Instagram app. If there is any downtime, simply wait for some time and after that again check if the downtime is fixed and you can access the app. The next solution suggested is to force stop Instagram app. For that, you simply need to go to settings, go below and click on apps. Now click on manage apps. In the search bar, search for Instagram and here you can see force stop option. Simply you need to click on force stop and after that try to launch the app and check if this solution works. If not, the next solution is to clear cache of Instagram app. For that, you need to do the same process. Go to settings, go to the app section, search for Instagram, then click on app info and here you can see clear data option at the bottom. Simply click on clear data and then click on clear cache option and then on OK. This will clear the cache of the Instagram app. After this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, the next solution, update Instagram app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram app and here you should check if there is any update available. If there is any update available, simply update the app to the latest version and after that check if Instagram music is working or not. If not, the next solution is to reinstall Instagram app. For that, either go to settings or simply you can click on Instagram app and then click on uninstall option over here, or you can also go to the app info and here you can click on uninstall option. Clicking on uninstall will remove the app from your device. After that restart your device once and again go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram app and simply in the search bar search for Instagram and here you need to click on install option. After this, check if Instagram story music is working or not. If not, then the final solution suggested is to, what you do is to simply open Instagram, click on the profile icon, then click on 3 line here and then go below, look for help option over here. Now click on report a problem, then again click on report a problem and after that here you need to explain what are the issue you are facing. Simply type that you cannot access the Instagram story music and then click on send option over here. After you send it, wait for some time until any response comes from the Instagram team. So following these methods, you can easily fix Instagram story music not working on Android devices. So I hope following these solutions will help to fix the issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.